Numbers are tricky, but they don't need to be hard. So you've heard the saying, it's tricky to rock a rhyme that's right on time. It's tricky. Numbers are not tricky. No, numbers are tricky. Oh no, I messed that up. Numbers are tricky, but they're not hard. So sometimes we need to cast variables like numbers to add them together. For example, if we have something like num is equal to 1, 2, 3, num2 is equal to 4, 5, 6.7, and then if we did num plus num2, we're going to get something weird. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.7. Even though we just wanted to add these together, we ended up concatenating these together because one is a string, one is a number. Now, if JavaScript detects that both of these are numbers, it's going to add those together for us, which would be really delightful. But it says one is a string, so it concatenates together, assuming we know what we're doing. And sometimes we do, sometimes we don't know what we're doing. And so in order for us to get past this, we can say num2 is equal to number num2. And all this is going to do is cast it to a number. And now we can say num plus num2, and that's going to add them together. And this is where sort of casting comes together along with concatenation and sort of understanding data types.